What is up, guys? Today we are going to be making French toast. And not just Cousin Betty's French toast, but the best French toast. So first off, we're going to start off with 2 eggs. Next, we are going to have a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of vanilla, the vanilla, a fourth a cup of 2% milk, which also requires this guy. Actually, don't forget the cinnamon. A whisk, a mixing bowl, a cutting board to lay everything down on, and lastly, and arguably the most important part, the Texas toast. Let's get cooking. So I've already cracked both of my eggs into the bowl. Next, I'm going to add a fourth of a cup of milk. Get that guy right in there. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon. And a full teaspoon of vanilla. Next, I'm going to whip it all together, and I will meet back with you in a second when all of this is done. We have everything mixed up in here. Now we're going to take, and this serves 4 pieces of toast. The reason there's 2 eggs in here is because if you guys have ever had a French toast, the way that I like them, which is the best way to have them, is to have the French toast like absolutely soaked in the egg, and essentially be kind of like an egg encasing the bread. It's hard to describe, but it's delicious. So anyway, we have a skillet over here. We've got our burner on 7, just so that guy can get nice and hot. And then we also have a plate for the toast once we're done. Next, we are going to take a piece of bread, and you're just going to dip it on one way and kind of let it sit for a second. Then we're going to dip it the other way and let it sit for a second. And then we're going to come over to our pan and just set that guy right in there. Okay, as you can see, the French toast is done. It was relatively quick, easy. The kids are complaining. They want something to eat for breakfast. There you go. So next, you want to throw on a little bit of butter. And last but not least, I forgot to invite on my friend of the show, Mrs. Butterworth. Normally, I would recommend to do a some sort of Vermont true to the bone maple syrup. But in this case, we want something that is thick and rich. And that happens to be Mrs. Butterworth herself. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Have some good eating. God bless, and I will see you guys soon. Peace. What is up, guys? Today we were with a son of a nutcracker. So first off, we're going to start off with 2 eggs. Then, oh goodness, almost cracked one of those. Normally I would recommend. How you doing, honey? Actually, that's syrup. Oh, I'm lonely.